Soft cinematic music fade in. Imagine this, it's the year 2030. You wake up in your New York apartment. But something feels different. Your alarm didn't wake you up. Your AI assistant did. Not just with a reminder, but with a full analysis of your sleep, mood, and productivity score. Welcome to the world of FutureStack. In 2026, over 40% of American companies began integrating artificial intelligence into daily operations. By 2030, that number crossed 80%. Factories in Texas. Automated. Customer service in California. AI-driven. Even law firms in Chicago, using machine learning to predict case outcomes. But here's the twist. AI didn't destroy jobs. It changed them. Meet Daniel. A warehouse worker in Ohio. In 2025, he feared robots would replace him. Amazon had already introduced automation systems inspired by companies like Boston Dynamics. Daniel thought he was done. But instead of quitting, he learned. He took a 6-month online AI operations course. By 2029, he wasn't moving boxes. He was managing robots. His salary doubled. Here's what most people don't understand. Technology doesn't eliminate opportunity. It shifts it. When Tesla automated production lines, they didn't just remove factory roles. They created software engineers, data analysts, robotics supervisors. When Google expanded AI research, thousands of new tech-based support jobs appeared. But not everyone adapted. Some ignored the signs. They said, AI is just a trend. Those were the same words people said about the internet in 1998. Look how that turned out. In Silicon Valley, startups began focusing on human-AI collaboration. The most successful workers weren't the strongest. They were the most adaptable. Skills that became powerful in 2030, critical thinking. AI management. Prompt engineering. Emotional intelligence. Digital creativity. The future wasn't about competing with AI. It was about stacking your skills. Building your own future stack. Now ask yourself, if AI takes over repetitive work, what uniquely human skill do you bring? Can you lead? Can you create? Can you solve problems machines can't? Because in America's next tech revolution, those who evolve, win. The future of work isn't dark. It's dynamic. And whether you're in New York, Los Angeles, or a small town in Texas, the opportunity is there. But only for those who prepare. This is FutureStack. Where we don't fear the future. We build it. Outro music fade out.